Assalamu alaikum listeners. I'm your host Arbaz Abbasi and I welcome you all on the behalf of Experience Exchange with this brand new episode in which we have another very interesting and important topic to discover. Civil engineering is like the superhero of construction. It's what make our cities work smoothly, from tall buildings to road we drive on. It's not just about building things, but also about building them smartly and taking care of environment. In this video, we will look at some cool civil engineering projects. Whether you are starting out as an engineer or already one, these ideas will get your creative gears turning. We will talk about projects that help save energy and protect the planet. You will see cool examples, learn about new ideas, and discover how engineers are making this world better. So let's start this journey into civil engineering projects. It's all about making things work better and being kind to our world. Sustainable civil engineering infrastructure projects. Let's start by talking about sustainable civil engineering infrastructure projects. These projects are all about making our world better by building things that don't harm the environment and help us in the long run. We will look at why these projects are so important, the clever ways people are working on them, and so some real examples to get inspired. First of all, we are going to talk about green building design. Green buildings, also known as sustainable or eco-friendly buildings, are designed and constructed with the primary goal of minimizing their environmental impact throughout their entire life cycle. This concept incorporates various principles such as energy efficiency, resource conservation, reduced waste and improved indoor air quality. Green building aim to mitigate these carbon footprint and promote a healthier, more sustainable way of living. Now we are going to talk about an interesting example, that is one angle scale building. Located in Manchester, UK, this building is one of the most sustainable in the world, featuring advanced energy efficient technologies and a biomass power plant. Now we are going to talk about the sustainable materials and construction techniques. Cross-laminated timber (CLT) is a sustainable alternative to traditional building materials like concrete and steel, offering strength and stability while reducing the carbon content. Incorporating passive solar design principles and natural ventilation to reduce energy consumption for heating and cooling. Green roof incorporate vegetation which improves insulation, reduces storm water runoff and provides a habitat for wildlife. Now we are going to talk about renewable energy integration. Ivanpah Solar Power Facility, located in California, it is one of the world's largest solar thermal power plants using mirrors to concentrate sunlight. Block Island Wind Farm, the first offshore wind farm in the United States, supplying clean energy to Block Island, Rhode Island. Energy efficient infrastructure design. Masdar City, a sustainable city in Abu Dhabi, designed to be carbon neutral, featuring energy efficient building, renewable energy, and advanced transportation systems. California High Speed Rail incorporates energy efficient rail technologies and aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by providing an alternative to car travel. Now we are going to discuss benefits of renewable energy integration. Renewable energy sources produce little to no greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to climate change mitigation. Relying on renewable sources reduce dependence on fossil fuels and foreign energy sources. Renewable energy projects often create jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance. Over time, renewable energy can be cost effective, reducing energy bills, and providing a stable energy supply. Now we are going to discuss water resource management, sustainable water treatment and distribution systems. Singapore's NE Water, a pioneering initiative that purifies wastewater to high quality drinking water standards. Melbourne's water sensitive urban design incorporate green infrastructure and sustainable stormwater management to enhance water quality and reduce flood risks. Rainwater harvesting and wastewater recycling. Oregon Convention Center utilizes rainwater harvesting and wastewater recycling to reduce water consumption. Singapore's marine barrage, a reservoir and flood control system that collect rainwater for drinking and recreation. Now we will look some case studies of successful water management projects. Tianjin EcoCity, a Sino-Singapore joint project known for its innovative water management, including water recycling and sustainable drainage system. Orange Country Groundwater Replenishment System, an advanced water purification system that replenishes local groundwater supplies with purified wastewater. Now we are going to talk about civil engineering, transportation and mobility solutions. In our changing world, how we get from place to place and take care of the environment is super important. We are going to talk about cool ideas for making travel easier, like new technologies and ways to protect nature. These ideas are all about making our future better and more connected. We are going to discuss smart cities infrastructure. Civil engineers play a crucial role in designing and implementing the infrastructure that underpins smart cities. They are responsible for creating efficient transportation networks, smart grids, wastewater systems, and sustainable buildings. They are also integrate technologies for data collection and management to improve urban services and enhance the overall quality of life. Urban planning involves designing cities with the focus on sustainability, livability, and efficient transportation. Smart transportation systems use technology, data, and automation to optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve public transit. They also promote the use of electrical and autonomous vehicles to enhance mobility. Now we will discuss examples of smart city project worldwide. Songdo, South Korea, a planned smart city that incorporates advanced infrastructure, green spaces and cutting-edge technology. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona's smart city initiative includes smart street lighting, waste management, and an extensive network of sensors for data collection. Copenhagen, Denmark. Copenhagen is known for its sustainable transportation systems, including a robust cycling infrastructure and efficient public transit. Innovation in civil engineering means coming up with new and better ways to build things like bridges, buildings, and roads. Learning civil engineering better is always important because it helps us to solve tricky problems and build things that are good for the environment and people. If you are a civil engineer, we encourage you to think of cool and creative ideas for your projects, work with better experts, learn new things, and always think about how to make what you build good for the earth and the people who use it. Civil engineers are like the protectors of our roads, buildings, and bridges. They make sure everything is safe and lasts a long time. They also help take care to environment and make our communities better places to live. So civil engineers are the superheroes for our cities and our planets. I hope that you have learned a lot of new and innovative information about different aspects in which we can make this world better and this planet a better place to live on. So that's all from this video. Stay tuned with Experience Exchange and forget not to subscribe to our channel for having information of this type. So that's all from today. Assalamu alaikum.